Hi guys, welcome to Computer Buddy. Myself Akhilesh, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome in Kali Linux. So for that you have to download Chrome from Google, search for Chrome and download it, and after that open the file in terminal and give the command ls and copy this, and now type dpkg space minus I or dash I space and paste this. Okay, now the next command is, so you have to type leafpad space forward slash opt forward slash google slash chrome slash google dash chrome. So type the command like this as shown in this video. And the link for downloading the Chrome is given in the description. Please go through the link and download the Chrome. So now you will get this page. So here you have to type no sandbox. So you have to type like this only as shown in this video. So don't miss this. Watch properly and type same like this only. So then you have to save this, then exit from this. So thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, please do subscribe. So your Chrome will be here.